In this tutorial, we are going to develop a linear regression model in TensorFlow 2. So I am running this code on the Google Colab, but you can also run it on your system after installing the TensorFlow 2.x. So we need to import these libraries. Import TensorFlow as TF, import NumPy as NP, import matplotlib.pyplot as plt. So we will run this, and Google Colab is going to connect to the runtime environment, and now it is connecting. Now initializing, and it is connected. Now we have to define the model. So class linear model, and this is the code for our linear, and this is the code for our linear model. So run it. Now we will be defining our loss function. So run this, and we have to initialize the model, and these are the weights and bias which we will be using in our code. Now we can generate some of the sample data. Here you can print the input data. So this is the input tensor, then noise data, and the outputs. Next we can define a plot function for plotting the graph. Now we will train our model, and during training it is printing the graphical representation of the model as well. During the training it is printing the trend line, finally we can see the weight bias and the true weight and true bias on this graph. So you can visit our website and learn more. tutorials on TensorFlow 2. Thanks for watching the video.